Here is how you can change your age on YouTube. You cannot do it on the YouTube app. Go to your Google Chrome browser. Make sure the Google account is the same one as your YouTube account if you have more than one account. Tap on the profile icon up top. Then tap on the Your Google Account button. After that, look for the Personal Info tab and tap on it. Scroll down a little and you will see your birthday details. Tap on it so you can edit your birthday. For this example, I will change it to 45 years old. Once you're done, you have the option to hide your age or show it to everyone. Pick the option that suits you. I will choose to keep my age private. Now, scroll down a little and tap on the Save button. Then, select the Confirm option. Now your birthday has been changed.